Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video I'm about to show you how you can fix memory integrity can't be turned on in Windows 11. I'm just gonna show you what I've tried myself and it worked for me. I really hope it's gonna work for you as well, so make sure you watch this video till the very end and leave your results in the comment section. Also, if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe for daily tutorials. And now, without further ado, let's jump right into the videos. So the first method to fix this problem, what we have to do is to go to Windows Updates, and as you can see, now I have memory integrity turned on. Now it worked, just so you know. And here click on Update History, and then here click on uninstall updates, and here make sure you uninstall the latest updates you have installed. Make sure you uninstall some updates you install on your computer. Some updates can really interfere and cause some problems. This really occurred to me as well. I had this problem as well, so I just deleted some updates here and it just worked. Now another thing that you can try is, obviously maybe you don't have some updates and that's causing the problem, so make sure you click on advanced options, optional updates, and here driver updates, maybe some updates here, and there's a huge list of updates available for you to download. So if there is, make sure you download and install. Now another thing that you can try is, if you go here and you see memory integrity, make sure you turn this on and off, and sometime by just turning this on and off and local security protection, make sure you do this as well, you simply can fix this problem. Also click Shift, Control and Delete, and here what we can do is we can go to Task Manager, and here in Task Manager you should see here in Performance virtualization enabled. If it's not enabled, you just have to enable virtualization in order for this to work. So make sure you look for ways to enable. For my computer is different, but for you it might be totally different. So yeah, just look for exactly your computer and make sure you turn the virtualization on, enable it. And another way, you can also go to graphics, to GeForce Experience, and here you also install drivers and check here for game already and install the latest drivers for your computer. And if that didn't work and you still have this problem, I know a guy that actually went to Windows Updates here, and from here you can go to, he showed me, he tried himself and it worked. And if you go to System and here go to Recovery, you can reset your computer. This is what he tried and it worked. Also you can do a system clean, go to System Configuration and here Boot, and then you click on Save Boot and Apply and OK, and you just restart your computer in Save Boot. Also click on Hide all Microsoft Services.